learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Liudui Games are a long-standing local tradition, also known as the Dao Mountain Mini Olympics. The event was expanded in 2006 to incorporate traditional Hakka singing and dancing, decorative floats, and a torch relay through 12 townships. The carnival reminds people of the brave exploits and team spirit of the Liudui Army volunteers of yesteryear.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And last month we just wrapped up a very important event here in Taiwan called the 2012 Lantern Festival. In fact, ICRT was part of it, and we're very happy to be part of it. And it's kind of like a Disneyland combined with Las Vegas and a carnival, and it's become a very important event for Taiwan, attracting international media attention. So today I want to ask Leo if there's any Hakka-related event that happens every year. 那有没有什么样的嘉年华会是客家的这个文化里面会举办的？
你讲到这个我就想到了，我们可以去南部，有一个叫做大武山下的小奥运，
Mini Olympics 啊，哎呀，今年刚好是奥运年呢，
对啊，
在伦敦要举办，
我们先抢先来办。
All right, so there's an annual event. It's kind of like a mini Olympics that takes place around a mountain known as 大武 Mountain. 那大武山是在哪里啊？
就在六堆地区，所以就是六堆运动会，六堆运动会。
六堆我们常常提的六堆嘛，是在高屏地区嘛，对不对？All right, so this carnival or mini Olympics takes place around the Kaohsiung Pingdong area known as 六堆。
它是一个每年都会举办的一个活动。后来呢，客委会就把它扩大举行，就变成一个六堆的嘉年华会。除了这个运动的项目之外呢，我们还有一些什么客家的传统的歌舞表演然后那个六堆地区他们就会集结起来，然后把自己的各个乡镇的特色把它用一个花灯、花车的方式来展现出来。
Nice. All right. So this is sort of another 3-in-1. You know, when we're at the Lantern Fest, I like to say it's like Las Vegas, Disneyland, and a carnival. This is sounding like that, plus a mini Olympics as well. You can enjoy music performances, dances, and culture, and also food, of course, from the local eateries as well. And this takes place on an annual basis. 那我们教大家怎么讲嘉年华还有运动会好了。
嘉年华。
Okay, that's how you say a carnival. And then if it's a sporting event, 运动会。
运动会.
Okay, that's a sporting event. So next time you're in southern Taiwan, you go check this out, and maybe you can participate in this and win something too. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.